Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the water preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photos before and after using this preset. Let's get started. First, go to Light and adjust the exposure to -0.14. Adjust the contrast to -22. Highlights to -61. Adjust shadows to 14. Whites to -72 and blacks to 8. Then slightly adjust the curves like this. Now go to color. OK, now adjust the temperature to 13. Tint 5. Vibrance 13. Then let's adjust the colors. Red, increase the hue by 11. Increase the saturation to 8. Orange, decrease the hue to -4. Decrease the saturation by -12. Increase the luminance to 12. Yellow, decrease the hue by -85. Decrease the saturation to -52. Green, decrease the hue by -41. Decrease the saturation to -86. Decrease the luminance to -30. Cyan, increase the hue to 100. Decrease the saturation by -100. Decrease the luminance to -47. Blue, decrease the hue by -53. Decrease the saturation to -94. Decrease the luminance to 58. Purple, decrease the saturation by -100. Go to Effects, now adjust the texture 20. Vignette -15. Midpoint 57. Feather 72. Adjust the shadows by making hue 217, saturation 7. Now let's adjust the details. Change the sharpening to 12. Noise reduction 15. And color noise reduction 18. Okay, done. Now you can clearly see the difference of before and after of this photo. Now let's copy these settings and try out on more photos.